Hey guys, welcome back to the Challenge Shack. Today, I have earthworms, real worms. Now they are kind of like snackified, um, but I don't know if they actually taste like a worm. This is what they look like. They're all colorful. Oh God. They don't smell sugary. No, they do. They actually smell like Captain Crunch. I want to do a pink one because it actually looks like a worm. I got a drink. It's not that bad. Should I do a couple of them? Let's get a pink one, a green one, and a blue one. Every color. Blue, pink, that's green, not pink, and pink. Oh, more than one at a time is not good. Okay. If you want to do this, I do not suggest doing more than one at a time. Oh, God. Alright, next time, I will be eating a scorpion. Not looking forward to that. See you guys next time.